I'm feeling like I'm drinking like an ancient Roman, having a Pinot Grigio and wondering, did the Romans have anything to do with this grape variety? And I don't know if the Romans have really anything to do with the Pinot Grigio as such, but I know that the Pinot Grigio Garda Doc area is where the Romans settled. Of course, the Romans were choosing only spots in the planet where viticulture was possible. And given the presence of the largest lake in Italy, Garda makes the whole entire area of the northern side of Verona, even in the inland part, a place where you can actually cultivate the vine and the olive trees really well. So when you go around the area, what you're gonna come across is beautiful mountains, the Monti Lessini, and then of course you can roll around a little bit Verona, and then you have monasteries and villas, and of course Roman archaeological sites. A few months ago, they just came across this incredible mosaic underneath a vineyard. Was it a vineyard of Pinot Grigio? That I don't know. But I know that when you go around the area, you might want to put your trekking boots on and just discover, disclose whatever you can come across, always with the glass of Pinot Grigio. But if you do that, you might gonna feel a little bit hungry. And thinking about that, I don't know whether the Romans were making pasta, because that's what I feel like right now. Sarah.
So here I am.
Oh, you've got some pasta.
Yes.
Do you think the Romans were making pasta?
I don't think so.
Okay.
But
You
for sure they were not making ravioli,
Okay.
as I did.
Okay.
Filled with Piave cheese, butter, black pepper and thyme sauce.
So Piave cheese butter, this is some Pinot Grigio Garda Doc, and I'm gonna try this raviolo with me hands. But this is actually a crunchy raviolo.
Yes, because I chose to roast it a little bit to give the crunchiness and bread feeling.
Man, it sounds really good. It's a little bit Asian.
Yes.
It's a little bit Asian, and right now we need something to cut through the fatness of this wonderful cheese. And Pinot Grigio is gonna do it. Salute.
Salute.
And for more tricks, tips, and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink some good wines. Capito? Capito? Arrivederci.